Good day, everyone. I am Zarina Julian Garcia, together with Michael Granadoso, your presenter for today. We are here to discuss the topic on Switzerland model policy. But before we delve to our discussion, I'll give you a short background of Switzerland. So Switzerland, officially the Swiss Confederation, is a sovereign state situated in the confluence of Western, Central, and Southern Europe. Switzerland is a mountainous Central European country, home to numerous lakes, villages, and the high peak of Alps. The country also known for its ski resorts and hiking trails. The Swiss population of approximately 8.5 million is concentrated mostly on the plateau, where the largest cities are located. Among them, the two global cities and economic centers of Zurich and Geneva. Banking and finance are key industries, and Swiss watches and chocolate are world-renowned. The history of the police in Switzerland is also the history of the formation of its modern liberal state. The existence of police officer in the modern sense has thus only existed for about 150 years. Murder, fraud, and theft, on the other hand, are as old as humankind, and so is the function of the police officer. For centuries, the boundaries between the administration, the military, the police, and the judiciary are quite fluid, and policing power was often in the hands of the ruling elite of even an individual rule. Societies in ancient Europe needed law enforcers and crime fighters. In ancient Rome, the army was primarily responsible for keeping order in the markets and streets. After the fall of Rome, the political system in Europe largely collapsed. It was not until Charlemagne reorganized Europe that there was once again a functioning body politic, and therefore the function of police officer on the territory of what is now Switzerland. So, due to the country's federal structure and cantonal sovereignty in police affairs, there is no single national police force in Switzerland. The federal system and division into three levels, the communal, the cantonal, and federal, is also reflected in the structure of the Swiss police. The cantons, name given to each of the states comprising the Swiss Confederation, have jurisdiction over police matters, which is why each canton has its own cantonal police force, and within some cantons there are municipal police force, although there is a federal office of police in Switzerland. It has limited functions. This system is based on the principle of subsidiarity, the transfer of decisions to the lowest practical levels. As you can see, the Federal Office of Police, headed by Director, and it is the highest rank. Next, main divisions. Main divisions, Federal Criminal Police. They are responsible for conducting investigation against transnational organized crime like financial crime, terrorism and its financing, criminal activities involving explosives, illegal intelligence gathering, offenses involving federal elections and ballots, offenses against the law on war material, nuclear weapons, dual-use goods, and specific military goods, and on civil aviation, corruption, genocide, money counterfeiting, execution of rogatory letters from abroad. Main division services perform a cross-sectional function and providing services to clients in Switzerland and abroad. And yan, nakikita nyo, DNA, AFIS services, identity documents, National Police Information System. Next, Main Division Federal Security Service. They are responsible for the protection of federal officials and people and buildings, affording protection under international law, as well as in charge of the structural, technical, and organizational security strategy for federal civilians buildings in Switzerland. And last, Main Division International Police Cooperation. They are in charge of the operational and strategic development of the bilateral and multilateral police cooperation, including the cooperation with the European Union and the Schengen area in the field of law enforcement. It functions as single point of contact for bilateral Interpol, Europol, and Schengen-related correspondence and manages the Swiss police attaches abroad as well as the foreign police attaches in Switzerland, the administrative offices. So, Money Laundering Reporting Office, Switzerland. The office has a function of filtering and relay between the financial intermediaries and the law enforcement authorities. Swiss Coordination Unit against the trafficking of persons and smuggling of migrants, established on 2003 with the aim to protect the victims, prosecution of perpetrators, and preventions. The Swiss Coordination Unit for Cybercrime Control. The office monitors the internet and is also engaged in prevention. And Central Office for Explosives and Pyrotechnics, or ARMA. Next reporter.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Michael Grandosa, your presenter for today. Cantonal Police Corps or Cantonal Police Departments are responsible for law and order and are not subordinate to federal authorities. The head of each cantonal police is a part of the cantonal government, and the cantonal parliament defines the legal and financial framework. The structure, training, arming, and equipment uniforming of their police corps. The cantons largely have the freedom of discretions. These are the 26 cantons: Zurich, Bern, Lucerne, Uri, Swiss, Obwalden, Nidwalden, Glarus, Zug, Freiburg, Solothurn, Baselstadt, and Basel-Landschaft, Schaffhausen, Appenzell, Ozerroden, Appenzell-Innerrhoden, St. Gallen, Graubünden, Aargau, Thurgau, Tessin, Waadt, Wallis, Neuenburg, Genf or Geneve, and Jura. Structure and organization. The Cantonal Police Corps dispose of special task units, intervention units, and special institutions, and as the Lake airports. Can be found the structure between the three linguistic regions, such as the German-speaking, generally between the criminal and security and the traffic police, having the more specific function, such as maintaining law and order, and the criminal police having the more specific task, such as investigating of crimes, while the French-speaking cantons, as well as the canton of Ticino, or also known or distinguished generally between the gendarmerie or the security and traffic police, and the police di sorete or the criminal police. The police Italian speaking of canton of Ticino are divided into geographical sectors, such as the communal police corps. These police agencies on third level communal police corps have been established in cantons, which are territorially divided or whose communes traditionally have a lot of autonomy. In charge daw sila sa pag-maintain ng law and order, gaya na lamang ng traffic rules and traffic control sa mga larger cities or sa mga syudad. They are also tasked to criminal matters, but in general, they are depends on cantons. And the border guards or the Swiss border guards is a uniform, armed, and the Federal Customs Administration is and therefore part of the Federal Department of Finance. It has three strategic tasks such as custom duties, police security duties, and alien police duties. Antong mga border guards naman, they are equipped with armed with the pistols, small pistol, and their customs and duties is to collection of value tax and including prevention, gaya na lamang na questioning of documents, smuggling, trafficking, magbiyahe ng mga narcotics, ganyan, mga drugs and weapons, yung mga war materials, mga like canyons and hazardous substances, yung mga droga, protected animal species, yung mga endangered species, gala na lamang ng mga hayop na iilan na lang, and cultural artifacts, yung mga makalumang kagamitan, and counterfeit branded articles, yung mga tawag dito, mga libro or damit, ganon. And the police security duties are mainly involved in searching of persons, pangangapkap doon sa tao, gaya ng tao, sasakyan, and questioning and detecting of documents, gaya ng mga peking dokumento, and ganyan din para ma-prevent yung international crime. While the alien police duties, they are tasked to illegal entry, gaya na lamang ng for departure, diba, bago ka pumunta, they are asking you what is your purpose to entry on that country. Ito yung ginagawa nilang question of documents, ng mga walang kukulang mga permits, documents sa pagpunta sa isang bansa. Itong mga border guards, they are the one who do this job. And the Swiss military, led by the Federal Department of Defense and Civil Protection and Sports, operates in professional military security, and the military police service, the service as well as the armed force in general, and can be tasked to support the cantonal police. Tayong sinasabi ko kanina na ang Swiss military they are the one who reinforce to the civilian to the cantonal police when they need a backup, and yun. While the Swiss Federal Railways, it operates a railway police service through Securitas and joint venture with the Securitas agents. Ito yung mga uniform personnel din, but hindi sila yung like police na, but they have an authority to detain a person who make a trouble in the railway of a train or in a port of that railway. They are the one who detain a person. And the private or the several private security service such as the Securitas AG or the Protectas exist in Switzerland. Their agent except those of the railway police service and do not have any law enforcement. Itong private naman, wala silang sariling law enforcement, but pwede rin silang umaresto ng tao na umaresto ng tao na lumalabag sa batas, and like private detectives, ganun din. Ganun din tong private security. In staff and data, the Swiss police and comprises about 23,000 members, including na dun yung federal, cantonal, communal police forces as well as the border guards. 23,000 lahat sila. Education and training. The education and training of the police corps are organized at the cantonal level. There are, however, also training centers which are managed by several cantons together in the framework of a concordal. Yung Swiss Police Institute ay na-establish under private law, and that is active in the field of police training, and they are the one who develop and implements training strategy on behalf of the Swiss police. And they are supported naman by their federal government and the cantons and also their municipalities. They are also the coordinating and the editing of and production, publication, and the distribution of teaching materials for the police. They are the one who supply for the teaching materials para sa mga police dun sa Swiss. And as a coordination center, they have been organizing federal exams to ensure the test leading to the federal certificate or provisions of the police officer license is protected their titles to run it smoothly. Tong Swiss Police Institute, they are the one who have been organizing the federal exam also to ensure na malinis yung test, and the one who passed this exam is truly deserved for the license. While the police schools and interregional police training center, they are dedicated to train police candidates from the cantons of Fribourg or Neuchâtel and Jura, as well as the security assistants. And the police training center in Gibasco, they are the one who give a training related to the basic and advanced training of the aspiring or the police trainees. And the Swiss Police School set a high expectations or high performance expectations from a police trainees, and they are guarantees that they give the school of development as well as the professional organization and administration. The Intercantonal Police College of Hitzkirch, or it is the largest training center in Switzerland na nag-offer ng diving course, and second is forensic courses, simunition or the shooting courses, and personal security through communication. Next is the police or the School of Eastern Switzerland, or the Polizeischule Ostwest, and they are offer comprehensive basic training for the future police officers of 6 cantons, including 6 cantons such as 2 cities of Liechtenstein. And the political and strategic responsibility for the school is defined by the Conference of Directors of the Cantonal Departments of Justice and Eastern Switzerland, or the next is Savatan Police Academy. These are the academy or the privileged placed related to police training. The Police Academy ay nagbibigay din sila ng basic training for the Federal Police License. In the Swiss Federation of Police Officer, or SFPU, it is the association ng lahat ng mga pulis sa Switzerland sa lahat ng level, mapa-communal, cantonal, and federal man, in close cooperation with the Swiss Police Institute, or the SPSF organized training and further education courses for police forces. International training. With regard, they are given advanced training. They are also the training possibilities offered through Middle European Police Academy or the MEPA and the European Police Colleges or CEPOL. Concerning the Swiss border guards, they have their own 3-year education. Meron daw silang 3-year education which comprises, meron din silang 1-year basic education, gain din 2 years of specialized education on several topics. The recruitment and selection and training. Ito na yung mga kinakailangan at mga kailangan para maging isang ganap na police doon sa Switzerland. These are the following requirements for joining the police force. For admission to police college may vary from the canton to canton. People applying to join the police force must pass a strict background check including their criminal history, driving records, and credit reports. Meron tayong tulad din sa mga qualification, but meron din tayong pagkakaiba. Yun nga, sabi ko kanina, they are ensuring that the aspiring police in Switzerland, it has a good standing or magandang background, no criminal records, physically fit dun sa job na gusto niyang pasukin. These are the following qualifications. Swiss citizenship, 20 to 35 years old, height is 170 cm sa babae, sa lalaki, and 160 cm naman para sa babae. Finish secondary school. People have tattoos, ay bawal. Pag nakikita kahit na nagsusuot siya ng shirt. Gayun din naman yung dapat meron siyang diploma and any commercial colleges, impeccable reputation or wala siyang criminal records and absence of debt. Gayun din meron dapat siyang driver's license at nasa kategoryang B. And the selection. All law enforcement are selected by the proper screening procedures. This practice is applied always and mandatory. At sinasala sila sa mga following procedures gaya na lamang ng comprehensive examination of applicants, ini-interview din sila, security checking, dumadaan din sila sa psychological test, pagsusuri sa pag-iisip, ganun, and screening procedures, and also focus on the following qualifications of applicants, gaya na lamang ang moral qualification, psychological qualifications, and physical qualifications. Dito sa psychological qualifications, sinitest nila yung kapasidad ng yung pag-iisip. Well, dito naman sa physical qualifications, sinusukat naman nilang katatagan ng yung physical stamina or yung pangangatawan. And status of police trainees. The trainees position is a non-sworn entry level training position. Employees in these qualifications are temporary and do not have police officer status while attending the academy. Promotion. Promotion of sergeant after minimum of 2 years. Dapat daw 2 years ka munang PC and kailangan mong ipass yung exam bago ka ma-promote. And from sergeant to inspector, again, minimum of 2 years as sergeant before you and dapat mapasa mo yung dalawang exam for you to be able to promote. And promotion is offered only when posts become available and fulfill the selection criteria. Dapat ma-fulfill mo yung criteria before na ma-promote ka. And the promotion prospects for graduates are good but must be prepared to start at the bottom. Ngayon, sabi nila, yun nga yung palagi nilang sinasabi na dapat magsimula ka sa pinakamababa at unti-unti kang tumataas. Ganun tong dito. Well, the prison in Switzerland has meron silang 124 detention facilities na kayang mag-cater ng 6,736 detainees, and ino-operate ito ng Swiss cantons, and meron naman silang pinakamaliit na prison na andun sa Untersuchungsgefängnis Trojan meron siyang kapasidad na 2 detainees. And the highest rank dito ay police commissioner, and the lowest rank is the officer, deputy, and the corporal. And the salary of the police officer is in Switzerland is range between 3,115 CHF. Pag kinonvert naman natin dito sa Philippine peso, meron tayong 174,169.43 per month yun and to 11,700 CHF. Pag kinonvert natin to sa Philippine peso is nasa 654,183.62 per month. While pag nag-retire na, the official retirement age in Switzerland is as of as of 2012 is nasa 65 para sa lalaki ang retirement age, and 64 naman para sa babae yung retirement age. These are the following infantry weapons. Meron silang small arms such as combat knife, SIG P220 or the pistol 75, and the Glock 26 or the pistol 2 Kurz, and SIG Pro SPC 2009 or the pistol 3, and the Glock 17 or the pistol 12 or 15 standard. And meron din silang mga mahahaba such as the submachine gun or the Heckler & Koch MP5 or the machine pistol, and the BNT MP9-N or the machine pistol 14, and etc. The Swiss police uniform, and they are equipped with the dog and the handheld radio, the torch, and also a small gun. And that's all. Thank you.